From the sidelines of the B20 summit over the weekend, my colleague Parikshit Luthra caught up with the CEO and co-founder of Tata 1mg, Prashant Tandon, and began by asking him about his key takeaways from the event with respect to the pharma sector. Listen in.
Most important thing is the country is on the move. It's optimistic, energizing kind of a setup right now. We have a positive momentum. We really need to make sure things are aligned for business to thrive, because when business thrives, that's when the economies thrive. And I think one thing that is always an ask from the industry is clear, consistent policy making, and I hope the healthcare sector gets a lot of support on that.
Right. We have been seeing changes and rules regarding online pharmacies which were rolled back. How do you think this is affecting the working of companies like yours?
So I think on the ground, not too much change, but it does impact the investor sentiment. It does impact the sentiment for all the vendors who work with it, the entire ecosystem. So sometimes a lot of it is media kind of high, because no notification has come out as yet. But yes, having a clear roadmap, digital healthcare, India has an opportunity to create models that the rest of the world, especially the global south, would need and would want to follow. And there's such a big opportunity for us to create the largest digital health companies in the world out of India. So I really hope we get it right quick. And as I said, time-bound, clear articulation of where we want to go and how we'll get there from a policy perspective. That's what really takes this industry to the next level. Having said that, I think from an industry perspective, we are already doing well, because consumers want what we offer, and it's a sunrise sector, it's a growth sector right now.
And taking away from the B20 deliberations, any one challenge that you see before the Indian industry that we need to overcome?
I think from a market perspective, we are all set. So that the only area where I would say the challenges are still there is that the global economy is a little soft. So we have to do more to attract more and more investment. Investors are keenly looking at India. The sector I come from, it all comes down to clear, time-bound articulation of the regulatory stances on a bunch of things. We do that, I think we'll create some really big companies out of India.
All right, that's a very interesting chat with Tata 1mg. But with that, it's time for a short break.